Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set or change mobile data limit on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we're going to tap on connections, then tap on data usage. Next, we go down and tap on billing cycles and data warning. Then tap on set data limit switch to turn it on. Once it is on, you can tap on data limit, and then now you can change the data limit size. So choose either 4, 5, or 6. So that is depending on your monthly data limit. So let's say if you have a monthly data limit of 10 gigabyte, you put in 10 and you tap on set. So now we have set it to 10 gigabyte. Once your mobile data usage reach 10 gigabyte, then you will be getting a warning telling you that you have reached your limit, and you can no longer access the internet or use your mobile data past that point. And that's it. So that is to set a data limit on a monthly billing cycle. Once your monthly cycles begin with a new cycle, then you can start to use your mobile data again. And finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.